On a very solemn note about a very tragic incident that took place in which at least 5 people have lost their lives and many have sustained injuries. This after an express train collided with a goods train, the incident taking place in Darjeeling district of West Bengal. Kanchenjunga Express was travelling from Silchar in Assam. It was on its way to Sialdah in Kolkata when the goods train hit from behind, and this in fact incident took place at the Rangapani station just very close to New Jalpaiguri. The Chief Minister of the state, Mamata Banerjee, has already said that doctors and disaster response teams have been rushed to the spot. Rescue efforts are going on a war footing. According to railway officials, the incident occurred because of a signal error. Now, Railways, NDRF and SDRF, they're all working in tandem in close coordination, and the injured are also being shifted to the hospital. So as we speak, we are showing you the visuals of the incident that took place when a goods train had collided into a passenger train, and now the rescue efforts that are going on a war footing. These are the two visuals that we're showing you, and as you can see there, the coaches that turned turtle right after the collision. Such was the impact of that collision, but a lot of the injured people have now been rushed to the hospital. A lot of reactions have also come in. We're going to play that reactions out in just a bit. But 5 passengers, that's the latest, who have died, and at least 25 people so far officially have sustained injuries. They are being rushed to the hospital. That's the official figures that we have now. It is a developing story. This after an express train collided with a goods train in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal. Kanchenjunga Express, in fact, was travelling from Silchar in Assam to Sialdah in Kolkata when this goods train hit it from behind. So that's the latest that we're getting in right now. The train was en route to Sialdah station in Kolkata. Coaches turned turtle, as you can see there, such as the impact. A lot of reactions, eyewitness accounts are also coming in. Let's just play them out.
यहाँ मतलब हम लोग जब सुबह की आज तो हम लोग का बकरा ईद है। जब हम लोग नमाज पढ़ के बाहर निकले तो हम लोग को मतलब खबर आया कि हमारे यहाँ 2 किलोमीटर अंदर एक ट्रेन दुर्घटना हुई है। तो हम लोग जो है मतलब इसको तो लाइव नहीं देखा, हम लोग सुना, फिर जाकर मतलब जब हम लोग को पता चला फिर हम लोग यहाँ स्पॉट आके अभी देख रहे हैं। ये तो जो है बहुत
क्या देख रहे हैं आप, क्या नजर
यहाँ तो मतलब जो है एक ट्रेन शायद खड़ी हुई थी और एक ट्रेन आके जो है इनसे टकरा गई शायद।
एक ही लाइन पे, एक ही पटरी पे था?
जी हाँ, एक ही पटरी पे शायद एक ट्रेन खड़ी थी या जा रही थी, शायद स्लो थी, और मतलब एक ट्रेन आ रही थी, आके जो है मतलब ऐसी दुर्घटना हुई है शायद।
जब ये घटना घटी तब टाइम हो रहा था अप्रॉक्स 8:35 मॉर्निंग। तो जितना हम लोग को पता चला, सामने कंचना जो एक्सप्रेस है वो धीरे गति से चल रहा था, वो खड़ा नहीं था, धीरे गति चल रहा था। पीछे से जो मालगाड़ी है वो अचानक बहुत स्पीड से था, वो आके पीछे से मर दिया उसको।
तो क्या एक ही ट्रैक पे हुआ है?
एक ही ट्रैक पे दो ट्रेन एक ही ट्रैक पे आ गया। अचानक देखिए इतना आवाज हुआ था, यहाँ पे जो लोकेलिटी जितना सब है सब आके इसके ऑपरेशन में लग गया। स्पॉट डेड हम लोगों को जितना पता चला 5-6 जन यहाँ पे रेस्क्यू किया गया है। अभी भी अब देख सकते हैं अभी जस्ट नाउ एक जन को रेस्क्यू करके गया।
स्थिति अभी थोड़ा गंभीर है। ये आप देख रहे हैं कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है, ये पीछे यहाँ पे खड़ा था और पीछे से एक मालगाड़ी आके उसको ठोक दिया। 3 बॉगी अभी तक डिटेल्ड हुआ है, 5 फैटलिटी हुआ है, कैजुअलिटी हुआ है 5। अभी तक हम रेस्क्यू कर लिया है। और मालगाड़ी का जो आगे का इंजन है वहाँ पे गैस कटर लगेगा। आरपीएफ भी आ गए है, हम लोग लोकल पीएस से आ गए हैं। 5 का मौत हुआ है अभी तक। ठीक है,
इंजर्ड हुआ है?
इंजर्ड अभी तक 25 to 30 नियरली, बट द इंजुरीज आर नॉट फैटल। इंसिडेंट पीछे से मालगाड़ी आके ये कंचनजंगा जो एक्सप्रेस है, मालदा कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है, इसको पीछे से कॉलिशन हो गया।
Komalika, thank you so much for joining us. I know you've been getting us up to speed with all the latest updates. Now, what we're getting to hear is that there are 5 fatalities. That number just could go up. I was just talking about Mamata Banerjee, who has already said that how a disaster response team has rushed to the spot. Give us an update on the rescue efforts. Tell us a little bit more on the kind of assistance that is being provided to those injured. Which hospitals are they being rushed to? What about the helpline numbers? Tell us all.
See, there have been helpline numbers that have come up from the state administration. State Secretariat headquarters, that is Nabanno, there is a helpline number there. Railways also in each and every place, they have opened an helpline numbers, and specifically in Sialdah station where the train was supposed to come. Also, there are helpline numbers from the rail and the helpline number from the administration, number 1. Number 2, as far as the rescue operation is concerned, the state administration is there, the DM, the SP, the railway police, the RPF, The disaster management team of the Bengal government, they have all reached there with doctors and ambulances there, and also in and around all the hospitals which are there in and around this region, they have been alerted. Now, what we are coming to know in Fashidawa Hospital, some of the injured have been taken, the serious injured people have been taken to the North Bengal Medical College. Now, along with this, the NDRF team, 2 NDRF team has already reached there. They are also joining hands with the Bengal disaster management team for the rescue operation. We know the police is there. What we are coming to know that 5 people have been injured. According to a local police, the local pilot of the train might be also he might have succumbed. But there is no confirmation. What we are getting is he might have succumbed from a local police. Number of injured people are right now. What we are getting from our sources is minimum 25, and it can increase. So 20 to 25 is the injured number till now. But then, as you can see, that what locals are saying and what the rail are also saying, it's overshooting of the signal. The goods train just came from behind and collided in this train. So this was the coach which is worstly affected are the unreserved coach. That's what we are also coming to know. So all the poor peoples, they were going through this, they were mostly affected. That's what we are coming to know. So there is a challenge also, as one portion of this coach is hanging, as you can see. But relief operation from all the agencies, they have been, they have reached there. We know Mamata Banerjee has tweeted. We know the rail minister has also tweeted. And we know that everybody is on high alert. But the fact is, the big question is, how this is possible when a train is standing there, then another train comes and hits the passenger train. This answer has to be given, and this is a big question that's been raised.
No, absolutely. And speaking of the challenges, I'm just seeing those visuals there. The impact of the collision, Komalika, must have been so huge and massive, with coaches turning turtle, the coaches scattered all around. You have 3 bogies, if I'm not mistaken, of the express derailing from the tracks. So what are the challenges that some of the rescue efforts are facing while they're trying to find the passengers and while they're trying to pull them out to safety?
Yeah, this hanging thing is definitely a challenge which is there, as you can see the visuals. Along with that, the weather in this area. It's like raining. It's incessant raining. It's now the rain has stopped, and again it will start. If the rain starts again, then that is also going to be a very big challenge for the relief rescue operation there. So that is one thing which is an area of concern.
And I believe that the accident took place about 11 kilometers from New Jalpaiguri station. Is it a very busy station, the Northeast Frontier Railway Zone?
Oh yes, NJP is one of the most important stations from which other regions, Northeast can be traveled through NJP. And though the one thing is that this is not a very remote place, so reaching out of the relief operations to start, that did not take much of time. That is one positive thing out of the after the really bad and sad accident that has taken place. But definitely there are a lot of challenges through which they have to really work. The railway authorities, the local administration, and also the NDRF team, the disaster management team. But the question is how this incident took place. Again, definitely there is going to be an inquiry committee formed, and what led to this. We know that Balasore also inquiry committee came up with their reports. But what really led to this collision, the overshooting of the signal, that really is a big question.
Right, stay on with me, Komalika. Akash is also joining us and getting us up to speed with all the updates coming in. Akash, a very tragic incident that has occurred with 5 people losing their lives and so many others sustaining injuries. Now, Mamata Banerjee has also expressed her concern, but prima facie, what appears to be the cause of this mishap? Komalika has been saying that overshooting of the signal could be a probable cause, but what are you picking up from your sources?
Yes, signal overshooting is one aspect. In fact, rail officials are very much indicating that this has happened. But you see, Avantika, in fact, a CPRO NFR was very much there on phone call with us, and he somewhere indicated that it has SPAD has happened, which is signal passing at danger. This was automatic signaling system, and this is considered as one of the safest systems in the entire world. And when we talk about this particular system, so you can operate multiple trains on the same lines, because you have got the signaling system, fail-proof. In this particular incident, it is believed that loco pilot overshot the particular signal. He passed the signal at either danger or with a wrong aspect, because of which the train, the goods train or the container train collided with the passenger train.